Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to stop autoplay videos on Facebook because it's very disgusting for mobile data user because it's waste lots of megabyte from our SIM. Before starting the video, I will ask you something. Still, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button of this video. Okay, let's start. I will open my Facebook. Here you can see all of videos are playing automatically. If I go to my videos, you can also see here all of these videos are playing automatically. Okay, to stop these annoying things, click on the right corner of your screen where you can see your profile picture and scroll down, find out the privacy and settings. Here you can see settings option, click on it. Then you will be able to see here a search option in the above the screen. Click on it and type here media, MEDIA. You can see here media and contacts option, click on it. You will see there are lots of options. You can also see in the below here the autoplay option, click on it. Now you can see there are three options. First one is all time on autoplay and the second one is just in Wi-Fi you will be able to get autoplay, and third one is never autoplay videos. Okay, you can select Wi-Fi or the third one never autoplay videos. I suggest you to select never autoplay videos. It will be save your mobile data and time. Okay, let's see is it work or not. Let's back to our video. Now you can see videos are not playing automatically. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Goodbye.